going this way. So our shot is going like that. Now, what's helpful, I think, is if you were the shooter in this scene. Think about this when you're drawing a picture. And you are standing in the kitchen on this side, and you hold your arm out, and you are shooting. The arrow is pointing in the direction of the shot, which means this shot is traveling to the left. So remember, horizontal is going to tell us right or left. Your diagram should show us exactly which way. So when we look at vertical, we can tell it's going down. When we look at horizontal, we can tell this shot is going left. Again, we're going to plug in our numbers. This one on the entrance side was 16 inches. This one on the exit was 15.5. I like to make this into a triangle, which helps me to know where my impact angle is. Now, horizontal is measuring between the entrance and the vertical plane, which is this wall. So the impact angle is here. And we said this is y. Again, that's going to be inside. We need to know this distance here, which again, we're just going to subtract bigger minus smaller. Doesn't matter which side of the wall it's on, bigger minus smaller. So now let's plug in these numbers.